In this video, we are going to see about extrusion. It is a process which combines several unit operations including mixing, cooking, kneading, shearing, shaping and forming. Both single and twin screw extruders consist of some basic elements. They are screw, feeder, barrel, heaters, drive motor and finally gearbox. Screw. Generally, single screw extruders consist of one screw, whereas twin screw extruders consist of two screws. Presence of one or two screws significantly changes the flow and the amount of shear that can be applied. Feeder. Extruders mostly contains more than one feeders to achieve desired loading. In case of single feeder, all the additives are pre-mixed. And gradually increasing and finally ended with 230. Drive motor and gearbox. Finally, all extruder consists of drive motor and gearbox to generate and transfer motion from motor to screw. Every component of the extruder influences the mixing quality and efficiency. Working. When the raw material is fed into the feeder, it travels along the screw and the die cut it into required shape and size. Classification of extruders. Single screw extruder and twin screw extruder. Single screw extruder. As mentioned previously, single screw extruder consists of single screw. Screw is mostly single metallic shaft containing flight to guide the polymer inside the barrel. And elevated in temperature and pressure. Metering section. The portion of the section nearest to the discharge of the extruder, which is normally characterized by having very shallow flights. The pressure inside the single screw extruder is shown in this image. We can see that the pressure gradually increases from feed zone to metering zone. The increase in pressure is related to decrease in flight depth. The pressure also reflects the amount of shear applied in each zone. Applications of single screw extruder. Texturized vegetable protein, ready to eat breakfast cereal, production of full fat soy, pet foods, floating and sinking aquatic feed. Now coming to twin screw extruder. Twin screw extruder is much more versatile than single screw extruders. Presence of two screws cause several variations in terms of rotation, position and time. There are several types of extruders classified based on position, rotation and time. Based on the rotation, twin screw extruders are classified into co-rotating twin screw extruders and counter-rotating twin screw extruders. In case of co-rotating twin screw extruders, both the screws move in the same directions. Whereas in counter-rotating twin screw extruders, the screws move in opposite direction with respect to each other. In terms of screw position and screw contact, Twin screw extruders are classified into intermeshing and non-intermeshing.